Hey guys! Are you looking for a flexible way to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your own home? Look no further than Freelancer.com. In this video, we're going to show you how you can make money as a beginner on this platform. Plus, we'll share the best ways to maximize your earnings. So sit tight, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive into the world of Freelancer.com. 1. Getting started. The first step to making money on Freelancer.com is creating your profile. It's essential to make your profile stand out by highlighting your skills and experience. Be sure to upload a professional photo and write a compelling bio. Then, start browsing the available jobs and apply for the ones that match your skills. 2. Choosing the right jobs. When starting out, it's essential to choose jobs that are within your skill level. Don't overcommit yourself or take on projects that you're not qualified for. As you gain more experience, you can expand your horizons and take on more challenging projects. Be sure to read the job description carefully and communicate with the client to ensure you fully understand their requirements. 3. Setting your rates. One of the great things about Freelancer.com is that you have control over your rates. You can set your hourly or project-based rates based on your experience and expertise. Be sure to research the industry standard rates and set yours accordingly. Keep in mind that setting your rates too high may deter potential clients, while setting them too low may undervalue your skills. 4. Building your reputation. Building your reputation on Freelancer.com is crucial to your success. Be sure to complete projects on time and communicate effectively with your clients. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback, as positive reviews will help attract more clients. Additionally, consider taking skills tests and earning certifications to showcase your expertise. 5. Maximizing your earnings. To maximize your earnings on Freelancer.com, consider taking on multiple projects at once, as long as you can manage your time effectively. You can also offer additional services such as rush delivery or revisions for an additional fee. Finally, consider bidding on projects during low traffic times, as there may be less competition. So there you have it, guys. With Freelancer.com, making money from home has never been easier. Remember to build your profile, choose the right jobs, set your rates, build your reputation, and maximize your earnings. Don't forget to click the link in the description to see the best way of making money from home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.